Hey, awesome people. Today we're jumping into the world of a super smart guy named Hegel. Don't worry if you haven't heard of him before. We're here to make it easy and fun. Imagine you're in a magical forest of ideas, and Hegel is like our friendly guide. He lived a long time ago, around when people wore fancy hats and had cool quills for writing. Now, Hegel was all about understanding how things change and grow, like a superhero seed turning into a giant tree. He loved thinking about ideas like they were on an exciting adventure, just like us. All right, let's dive into something called dialectics. It sounds tricky, but it's like having a friendly chat between different ideas. Imagine two characters in a story, they talk, argue, and then something new and exciting happens. That's dialectics Hegel style. Now get ready for a cool word, consciousness. It's like being awake and aware, not just in the morning, but also in our minds. Hegel wanted to know how we become aware of ourselves and everything around us, like a superhero sense tingling. Now let's talk about Hegel and women. Back in his time, people had certain ideas about what men and women should do. It's like having roles in a play. But guess what? Today, we know everyone can be the hero or heroine of their story. No script needed. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Imagine Hegel's ideas as puzzle pieces. Cool, right? But wait. Some friends, called feminists, look at the puzzle and say, why can't we rearrange these pieces to make an even cooler picture? It's like a puzzle party where everyone brings their piece. Not everyone agrees, though. Some say, well, that was a long time ago and things were different. Others say, let's keep the puzzle but add some new pieces to make it more awesome for today. Even though Hegel lived ages ago, his ideas are like old jokes that still make us laugh. We're still talking about them because they're part of the big story of ideas. Some parts might feel a bit old, but hey, we can choose the best parts, just like picking toppings for a pizza. So there you have it. Hegel's philosophy in a nutshell. Thanks for hanging out with us on this awesome journey. If you have thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun adventures into the world of ideas. Until next time, keep exploring and stay awesome.